In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and review the audit log in QuickBooks Online. If you need to track account activity, review changes, or verify who did what inside QuickBooks Online, the audit log is one of the most useful tools available. It gives you a recorded history of actions taken in the company file, which can help with troubleshooting, internal reviews, and general bookkeeping accuracy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access it and use the built-in filters to find the information you need. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online using an administrator account. This is important because administrator access gives you the permissions needed to view account history and activity details. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many account-level options and administrative tools. From there, look under the Tools section and select Audit Log. That will open the full activity history for your QuickBooks company. When the audit log page opens, click Filter. This is especially helpful if you're working with a large number of records and want to narrow down the results. You'll see options to filter by user, date, and events. Choose the user if you want to see actions performed by a specific person. Use the date filter to focus on a certain time period. Then select the event type if you're looking for a particular kind of activity, such as edits, deletions, or other recorded changes. After selecting the filters you want, click Apply. QuickBooks will update the list and display the matching activity records. Take your time reviewing the results. This list shows the recorded actions in the system and can help you understand what changes were made and when they happened. If you want more details about a specific transaction or event, find that entry and click View in the History column. This opens a more detailed view so you can examine exactly what was changed. That extra detail can be very useful when you're comparing versions of a transaction or trying to confirm whether something was updated. If you'd like to keep a copy for further review, use the export option to download the audit log. This can be helpful if you want to analyze the activity outside of QuickBooks or save it for documentation purposes. And that's how to view and review the audit log in QuickBooks Online.